HobbyKidsTV.
Hi, Hobby Kids! How's it going?
Good.
Good. So what do you get when you combine a Minion and SuperMan?
I mixed them up.
And mix them up. What do you get? You get Super Minion!
Super Minion.
This Minion's arms move up and down. His legs don't move, but on the bottom of his bottom, it says Despicable Me. Do you see that? His cape is nice and floppy, like it looks like it's flying in the wind. Like Superman Minion.
Muscle.
We should give him bigger muscles, huh? Wow. What do you guys think? Now he's super strong. You know what? I think his other Minion buddy needs a cape. I think he needs to be a Superman too. What do you guys think? Oh, yeah. Okay, I rolled out some red Play-Doh and I'm gonna fold it in half and we're gonna just stick it to the back of him. Make it like it's waving in the wind. What else does he need? He's already wearing blue. Maybe we can add an S to his pocket. And for comedy value, we made the S really big. Giant Superman Minion. Here is his super sidekick. Since his S is yellow, he'll be the super sidekick Minion. We need to give him muscles too, right? He's got to be super strong. We'll give him yellow muscles since his arms are yellow. All right, we have our superheroes, and now Peppa Pig is joining the fun and she wants to be a superhero too. I thought maybe we can make her Supergirl Pig. So we're gonna give her a little red cape in the back. And remember, we want it kind of wavy, so we're gonna squish little areas of it to give her some wave in her cape. That way it looks like it's moving. Okay, let's do an S for Super Peppa.
What about red? Cute S.
Well, she's wearing red already. She's wearing a red dress. So we'll just leave her wearing red and then we'll put an S on it. Unless you want to give her blue. Maybe some blue shoes?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do blue shoes. There we go. Alright. Alright. She looks pretty funny looking, but she still looks really cute. Okay, now since we want her to be in disguise wearing her super outfit, we're gonna give her some blue eyeshadow. That way she's kind of in disguise. Now she kind of looks like Miss Piggy. Since Peppa Pig got to be a superhero, this bad piggy wanted to be a superhero too. So we made him a little cape. Now he's a super bad piggy. Okay, we're gonna make Peppa's house a superhero house at Hobby Kids' request. There.
Hey, I can't see anything with this weird cape in my way.
Oh, we need to give you some eyes, huh?
Yeah.
Now the superhero can see.
Super Peppa house.
Super Peppa house. Hey, what you guys doing out here? These superhero characters look ridiculous. I'm the only one that looks cool. What do you Hobby Kids think? Leave your comments below. Okay, Superman Lego minifig is asking, which Superman you like the best. Do you like him, the original? Do you like the Bad Piggy as Super Bad Piggy? Do you like Super Peppa Pig? Do you like the muscular Super Minion? The Super Minion sidekick made of Play-Doh with muscles? The super house with a super cape in the back?
Or me.
Or Super HobbyKid? Leave your comments below, okay, of who you like the best.
If you look like Superman, go to.
You guys are super crazy. Now you're just a super show off.
Hey, do you want it again? God's name.
Okay, super bye.
Bye.